How's it going, everyone? It's Reversion Traded King, where I catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. And I'm just like so freaking pumped. I looked up and someone posted in my Discord, and the Roaring Kitty just posted this Joker meme, and it just like it brings out so many thoughts. And it's like, what? First of all, it's everyone's like favorite movie, right? You can't deny it. And then putting out the Joker with Roaring Kitty with his head right there, it's just genius, right? This guy is insane. I love it, and he's here to prove it. He's got over 200 million in the position, and we're just going to talk about this. I just, like I said, I made a video about this, and I made it before about where do we get our entries and all that, but I just don't see how this is just going to tank under the water, and everyone's accounts just like, a lot of people's accounts are on this, and a lot of people are trying to make money and betting big on GameStop. Is it very volatile? Absolutely, and we want very volatile. The institutions are going to drive, this price up for sure. They're going to use their algos, and they want to make sure, they get a lot of money from the retail. They drove it down, and they brought it back to the reversion to the mean, which I'm going to show you on this chart here. We are back at the EMA 20, where we make the big moves up. As you can see, this is where the big moves up. Look where we're here. EMA 20 here. If you guys don't know, that blue band on my chart is the MA20. That's where the big moves happen. As you can see, we go up, we go back down, bounce effect, go up, and then we're back here again. Do we make a newer high? Because that's what we've been doing. We've been having this new high here, a slight new high. But then I really feel like this can keep going. He did not sell on those big spikes. So that makes you wonder, is he doing it for the money? Obviously, yes, he's going to have to eventually sell, because he's got options, or maybe there's going to exercise and make it go freaking, bananas on this. So I just don't see, honestly, how you really can't be bullish. A lot of people be like, well, all this, this is the reason why. We're right at the reversion to mean. This is the time to get in. Yes, I did not like it when it was way up in here in this black space and way above the EMA 5, 10, and 20. Yeah, I totally get that. But I am willing to take a shot. If as long as price keeps going near this area or below it, I will accumulate all the way down here. Just like when it was below here, I made a video. Everyone was depressed and like, oh, this thing's never going up. Well, sure enough, right in here was your accumulation zone. And this is honestly the A-plus setup I've ever seen. I don't know why a lot of people are dissing on it. We had big time distance of the EMA 5 and 10 right in here, and it just shoots up, especially EMA 5. And then lost liquidity, big move up. And guess what happens? We had this big move from the EMA 20 for another stab all the way up. This is a money-making machine. This play right here can transform your account, but you want to do it right. I'm going to show you guys that too. But I just wanted to show like the tweet. I had to make a video because this guy's a freaking genius, man. Oh, I love it. Keeps everyone's on the toes. They're like, okay, I'm putting another 10,000 in GameStop. This is awesome. So, but I'm going to show you guys the chart here. We're going to have a nice reversal, as you can probably already predict. And a lot of people, unfortunately, probably sold off, had paper hands, and they just don't know any idea of what's going on. Besides just the chart, believe in what you're going into. If you got in GameStop, yes, it sucks if you got in above $30, $40, or 35 of the 40 range, even in the 46 range. Yes, I totally get that. But you never would just want to go all in, right? So what I want to show you guys is the system, because the only thing that really makes sense is the average to range. We know prices have to fall back to the reversion to the mean, and that's when I said even with the live stream happening, it still went down because the algos wanted to complete the mission and it had to be done. Could it do something like this pattern where it hits the upper band and then shoots up the next day and makes a new high? Absolutely, because what happens is once we hit the upper band, it goes like this, and we've seen where price can magnet to the upper band, and that's totally fine, but it's very risky. As you're looking at here, guys, we have massive room to the upper band. Look at this. Price is going up. The upper band is correcting to make a newer high, and I definitely think we can do that. A lot of people are probably confused about all that, but average to range is the best thing. We are hitting the EMA 20 right now for a reversion of the mean. We already corrected that. That's out of the way, and guess what? We can go higher. But I would not be surprised if we do go slightly under the EMA 20. I will not be freaking out, so would you not. Because when the prices go under here, we can at least aim for the EMA 5 and, you know, reset our averages if it just doesn't pan out. So just don't freak out. Believe in the cause. You know, obviously there's bigger things going on in this. You gotta, you know, don't try, you know, to, you know, understand it completely. You just got to know there's a lot of money flowing through, and get the reversion to the mean out of the way and get your chart, you know, as long as you have massive room up here. I teach a lot of people in my Discord, we never buy it above the EMA 5. We just never do it. Or, you know, EMA 5, 10, and 20. We just don't do it. We look for a price as close as possible, and my best setup is obviously down in here. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video real quick. It's like, you know, you can't bet against the Roaring Kitty. You got to realize that. This guy has freaking over $200 million. The guy knows what he's doing. You know, to have an account that freaking big, you got to know what the heck you're doing. And if you watch his live stream, he doesn't give a rip. You know, he's very calm. It's like, whatever. You know, we're going to have our pump, and we're setting up for that pump right in here. And I wouldn't be surprised if, honestly, he puts another update where he increases his size, and then the position, it just goes rapid. You know, I would not be surprised for that. But he's smart enough to know, you know, if you have that big size, you know, obviously he bought down in this range, you know, down in here where I loved it. You know, that's where he bought, right down in this range, and accumulated those shares. So this is GameStop analysis. What I am seeing is we're right at the EMA 20. If you guys don't know, that is your reversion to the mean. Price has to go back to there. It just doesn't do it in the time frames you know you like it to, but it will go to it. But we got that out of the way, and can we go up? And if it doesn't, then we just take the EMA 5 touch, reset our averages, and wait for that next pump, just like what we did down in this region over here. So this is GameStop. What I do want to look at and show you guys, we're going to use the 5-minute. As a lot of the times, if you see the 5-minute, you will see candles like close to the lower band here. And even 1 minute is where I'm going to look for those really nice entries, because oftentimes you will see 1 minute all the time hit close to the lower band. This is intraday time frames. As long as we know the daily time frame is good and it looks for a swing, we'll look for that lower band touch. And that's what we're getting here. Right in here, I was someone was saying, is GME going to reverse? Right in here, made a nice reversal here from a low of $32 and went to a high of 38. That would be a nice gain if you trail stopped it. Right in here, hit the lower band, went all the way up to 38.60 from a low of 33. But this is the best way to actually do it. And I have a very nice accumulation rules where you don't just frenzy buy, right? You slowly accumulate, and you only do 1 ad a day if you're going to do the swing. But this is setting up for a nice move. I wouldn't sweat the little minor movements. You're not going to get the exact bottom before a pump. You know, it is totally fine. That's why I say don't just put all your position in 1 ad. If it went to, if it went to $35, and you just put all in it, well, yeah, that sucks, because you just put all your powder all in 1 ad, right? But yeah, I'm really liking this. It's just really fun. It's like, hey, how can you? Oh my God, we're going to the bank, and we're gonna wreck some institutions now, right? Alrighty, I'll put a 10K in it. Alrighty, I'll help the cause. But yeah, I'm liking it. We're gonna run this puppy up. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. It's really nice. I hope you guys like it. I try to keep things realistic and use a strategy that obviously works. I've been doing this for over 10 years. I've been doing so many strategies, and over 6 years I've been doing this strategy. I love reversal trading. Trend reversals, because a lot of times what you'll see is these big massive candles that you can get, right? And then we look for those downtrends where it goes right back down, and for a momentum we want to look for the reversion of the mean to the back up. And so what this strategy is, I teach all of that. I have education videos and all that you can join. It's only $6 a month, guys. I'm telling you, I'm going to work my butt off so you guys can be profitable. You can see my actual trades I'm in and all that. If you guys want to join, click the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. It'll say, join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. In the free chat, you can read how to subscribe. It's very easy. Avoid scammers. I never message you first or DM you. The easiest way to subscribe is hit premium chat, and everyone in green is a subscriber, because I like the green, because we are very bullish on our things and we like to make money, right? So, if you want to subscribe, when you hit that premium chat, it'll ask you to subscribe. And if you do it on computer, it is only $6. If you do it on your phone, it'll charge like $1 or $2 or more. So do try to do it on a computer. You're going to get my RTK swing trades, which is like real-time alerts that literally will go to your phone. If you have no time to look at charts or anything, you have no idea what you're doing, you can literally just follow my alerts as I'm going to do exactly what my system tells me. I have education videos. Please watch these videos. I'm going to upload more and more as time goes. And then RTK Journal, you're going to see my actual trades with my wins and losses and my averages. Do keep in mind, I am only going to alert bottom reversals. GameStop is one of those very volatile stocks. I will show you guys my bread and butter type of trades that was in the system. We look for close to the ATR 4, which is the bottom band. As you can see, when a stock gets close to this bottom band with time distance, more likely than not, it goes up. And as you can see, look at this massive gain. It went up for a correction to the EMA 20. We're not surprised. Stocks have to hit that. So it goes there. And then it was funny because I was actually liking GameStop down in here. It went close and it had massive time distance and had a nice little correction to that EMA 20 here. But who would have thought this thing would have went freaking bananas, right? It went just up and up and up. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope to see you in the premium Discord. Like I said, it is only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. You know, get rid of that Big Mac for a day or that coffee, and let's get your account straight and working. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. And if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it, and I'm freaking hyped about it. We're gonna put some money in it. Let's pump it up. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the premium Discord on Monday, and we'll get some trades going. Peace out.